Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here in northwest of England, we are having rain today finally. After a long dry weather, now we've got rain. So this is my back garden today, and my Japanese maple I think is struggling because of the dry weather, and it was in the ground in a crowded area, so I put in this pot. Hopefully I'll rescue. We'll see. And my cutting hydrangea, I think it's the cutting from that plant. If not that one, it might be the one in front. I'm happy with it. Yeah, so this is what is flowering in my back garden to this month. We've got hydrangea started to bloom. This one I put the product which change the pH of the soil from to acidic, from alkaline to acidic. So I want my hydrangea to be blue, but I don't know, still looking more pink. I might have to apply again. I've got my lilies flowering. Let's walk over here. I still haven't pruned my what they call now, boxes yet. I've been so busy. You can see it's like a jungle here, so I need to shape them, and I need to reshape these ones, these shrubs, this type of shrubs. I need to reshape them again. I did beginning of the year, or no, beginning of spring, so I need to redo it again. So yeah, this side they've got a lot of, it's shaded area. You can see there's trees everywhere, so it doesn't get sun or even the rain. Like now it's raining there, but there's no drop of rain on this side because of the trees. And my hostas, it's flowering. Got one there and another one hidden. Oh, two over here. Nice, the slugs hasn't attacked them yet. Hopefully they won't. Got this one's flowering as well. That massive hostas over there. There's a few things I need to do in back here at some point. Shape a few things. And I've got Japanese maple, the red one over there with hydrangea. Oh yeah, my tallest lilies start to form buds, so ready to bloom. Can't wait, they smell so nice. Cannot wait. This one, he was struggling and I moved it. I think he's gonna die. I don't know. Same as that one is dead. But I'll leave it for now and see if it's gonna recover. Go back. Oh, it's a little bit wet. Well, that is how it is now. Few blooms. I like that color, lily color, even though I don't think it's my color palette, but it's cute. I like it. I haven't finished doing. I need to do this step here. I need to do it properly. I haven't got around to do it. And also this one I rescue, I hope it will not die. It was in the shade with no rain, no sunshine. So I put in a pot here. Hopefully it will survive. I really like it. And I've got basil struggling, and some I think is beetroot coming up slowly. And here I have lemon balm for my drink. I like drinking lemon balm tea. Another Japanese maple. This one I got it this year, and hopefully it's not gonna die. The same I've got lemongrass. Look at that, it's so small. I started from seeds. My lemon. This one is lemongrass. This is that one, and this one's a basil. Same on that side. I've got lemongrass on there and there, and I've got this. What is it called now? Can't remember. See, nope. I think you eat the stems, not the leaves. Rhubarbs, yeah, that's it. It's called rhubarbs. So got that. And I've got mint for my hot drink too. So here is my back garden a rainy day. I need to sort out these chairs. They're a little bit of a mess. I haven't a chance to sort them out. And I've got that table and chairs. I need to sand down the chairs and swap them. So this one, I'm gonna sand it down, stain them and put inside. And the one inside, they're coming out. Yeah, because I like them more than the one I have in my dining area. So yeah, so thank you for stopping by, and have a wonderful week ahead, and I shall see you again soon. Bye.